install is what they call an oil feed tube. It's an oil galley that runs through the head, through the block, comes up, feeds this tube with oil, and feeds these rocker arm assembly. Just make sure everything's seated in. Up behind here, rocker arms on the valves. Torque on those, Mike?
26.
Always back off the adjustment on these adjustment nuts, just in case this valve hits the piston at any given moment. Back this thing off, gives it plenty of clearance.